a king Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen.
Hello everyone, today is December 26th and it is the feast of St. Stephen. We're going to feast on things that we've bought. Around 12 days of Christmas. So day 2. What is day 2?
Turtle doves.
2 turtle doves.
And
there's only one of them here and I didn't recognize it.
And interestingly, there's one version actually that switches turtle doves and French hens. So in their version today was French hens and tomorrow was turtle doves, but that's just one weird version. And then another version says turtle doves and the part of a mistletoe bough.
Oh.
That's random, interesting. And also that song is thought to have originated in Newcastle upon Tyne in England. They're not 100% sure, but...
So our Bonne Maman jam for today is orange, yuzu, grapefruit spread. I don't know what yuzu is.
Comment below. Who knows what yuzu is?
Yes.
Help us out.
Y-U-Z-U. Yep, not something I'm familiar with, so let us know if you know. I don't think we have any cats around this morning, but we'll go ahead and open their treat for them anyway.
Tommy really enjoyed his crinkle ball from yesterday. He was playing with it this morning as well.
Today looks like another ball with a bell in it. My goodness, these are stuck in here tight.
Well, I don't think Tommy will love that one. He has an aversion to balls that roll, that are hard. Oh dear.
It says, shake this toy to your favorite holiday feet.
Need that tune. I think Maya would like that one. She likes bells, I think, and balls. But she's sleeping.
Sadly, so we'll just leave that one. Okay, day 3.
Now, while Mom's opening that box, I'm going to tell you about some history of what they would do on St. Stephen. So it's also a Boxing Day, and in the Tudor time, the Feast of St. Stephen was a day for charity and giving to those in need. At the time of the Tudors, alms or charity boxes in churches were opened and the money was shared out to poor people. I also think in more recent times, like the people in the manor house would give boxes to their servants to take home to their families. Maybe boxes of food. I didn't research that before I just said it, so you want to definitely fact check, but I believe that's what I heard before. And Mom's really struggling with this box.
So,
Boxing Day, the day that you open your boxes.
Sorry.
Oh, it is.
I did realize that I said day 3 and it's actually day 2.
Oops.
I opened day 2 of the cats and so was moving on. But I did remember before I actually opened it. And I did pick day 2.
Oh, good.
It is the wallflower
Cool.
to go with the diffuser, and it's called 'Tis the Season.
Fun.
So looking forward to that one, and I promise I will get it out before tomorrow. Right now it's stuck tight, which is good. Good packaging, so it did not fall around, get broken.
Yeah, because the wallflowers are glass, I think.
Right.
Or something like that, anyway.
So in the Stitchmas, now I have to dig for
Also,
day 2.
while you're digging for day 2, I did look at the instructions for yesterday's nativity scene, and it's for crochet, thank goodness. So as of now, I don't have to learn how to knit. But who knows what's going to happen before the end of this box. I might have to brush up my knitting skills.
So this is day 2. It's a tin.
A tin.
It's a very
is it?
nice tin.
Oh, it is very pretty. Okay, is it crochet hooks? Let's find out.
No.
Are they
It
stitch
looks like a
markers?
tape measure.
Oh,
Is that not cool?
neat. Show what's on the front. You're covering up the cuteness.
Sorry, Hobby Lobby.
Hobby Lobby haul. That's adorable. Are those stitch markers in the tin?
I think these are indeed stitch markers.
Oh!
They've got little designs on them and little bitty clasps.
Try to focus in. This is difficult to focus. There we go. Oh, that's adorable.
You see this little sweater?
Oh,
That's so fun.
sweater. Is this a mug? This is a mug. Is that a hat? Let's flip it over. Yes, there's
it's
a
a
hat and a stocking and an owl, and that was a polar bear on the other
And a
side.
snow globe.
Oh, that's fun.
It is.
How
fun
cute.
is that? Well done, Hobby Lobby.
I'm thrilled.
Right. And a handy, useful pin for your crochet hooks that
Right.
you already have. If you
Right. Which I actually have a gazillion of, so I could really use that. Yay.
Thanks for joining us today. Give us a like if you liked it. Subscribe below. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Merry Christmas.